Hi everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I would like to show you quickly how to set up your very first Laravel 10 and React.js application. How can you set up your very first Laravel 10 React.js application, and we will use inertia.js as well and Laravel Beeze on the process. First of all, let's create our very first Laravel 10 application quickly. For that, let's use the Laravel new command, following by your project name. In my case, I will call it Reacty. Okay, while it's creating our Laravel application, I just opened up XAMPP and I started my Apache server and I started my SQL as well. And in the browser, I open up my local MySQL server and create the database for this application. I call the database same as my application. Okay, so as you can see, we have created our database. Okay, now our Laravel application has been created. Now let's see inside this newly created folder. Let's see inside the React app folder, and now we need to install Laravel Beeze. So for that, let's go to the Laravel side and documentation, and you will see the starter kits. Let's go and go for the installation, and we need to use this command, composer require Laravel/Beeze and the flag dev. Let's copy this command. Okay, as you can see, that's done as well. Now let's follow the following command, which is php artisan Beeze install. So let's just do that. And now we can select what front-end preset we would like to use in our application. And of course, for this tutorial, we would like to use React. So we need to type in React. And now the next question, if you would like dark mode in our application or server-side rendering, or we would like to use TypeScript. But at the moment we are just simply installing and creating a fresh project. And for the simplicity, let's just skip this question and just simply hit enter. So we don't want to install anything from these options. And let's use the past. Okay, the next step is installing all our dependencies by using npm install command. And now we need to compile all our dependencies or our assets, so use npm run dev. Now let's open up our project in the VS Code editor, and we should be able to boot up a server and our application should be up and running. And let's open up the inbuilt terminal. And let's use the php artisan serve command to boot up a server. Now the server is up and running on this address. Let's open it. And as you can see, we have a Laravel application. We can register a user. Let's use fake filler. Okay, and I forget one step, which is creating the migration. So let's go back to the VS Code. Stop the server and let's use php artisan migrate command. And now let's boot up the server again. And if we are going back now, you just hit refresh and create a new user again. Okay, we are logged in now, and we have basically a React application here, so it's served by React components. As you can see, we have a working dashboard. So if we are checking our folders now in the Laravel application, if you go to the routes and web.php, as you can see, we have a route dashboard, and everyone who visits our route dashboard, for example, if you logged in or you just registered a new user, a inertia will render a React component for us. So if you go to the resources folder and views, as you can see, we have only two blade file here. One is the app and one is the welcome. Welcome is what you see when you are not logged in, but there is no React at all. But if you check the app.blade.php, and if you scroll down inside the body tags, we have this @inertia. So here is where our React components get injected. So if you go back to the web.php, as you can see, if you're visiting the /dashboard, inertia will render the dashboard React component, which can be found inside the resources folder, JS folder, and we have a pages folder, and here you can see the dashboard JSX file, and this is what you see when you logged in. So let's just check our dashboard page. As you can see, we have a dashboard here and you are logged in. And if you go back to the VS Code, if you type it hello from React, as you can see, our page updated in real time. So basically we are injecting a React component. Okay, so that's it for now. At the moment we just only installed this Laravel and React application, and in the next video we are creating something more difficult from this. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and hit the like button for me.